How to make a landing page. Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to create a landing page. A well-designed landing page can boost conversions and capture leads effectively, so let's get started. First, select a landing page builder. Popular options include lead pages, Unbounce, and Wix. The general plus process applies to most builders. Now, log into your landing page builder and choose a template that fits your goal. Templates provide a starting point and save time, so pick one that aligns with your brand and the message you want to convey. Edit the template to suit your needs, then change the text to highlight you or your offer or product. Adjust images and customize colors to match your brand, and make sure to include a compelling headline, a clear call to action, and a form or button for conversions. Include essential elements such as an attention-grabbing headline, a persuasive copy, and a CTA button. If applicable, add a form to capture leads or a payment option. Keep the design clean and focused on the goal of the landing page. Preview your landing page to ensure everything looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. Test all links and forms to make sure they work correctly, and make adjustments as needed. Once you're satisfied with your landing page, click Publish to make it live. Share the link through your marketing channels such as email campaigns, social media, or paid ads to drive traffic to your landing page. And that's it. You've created a landing page that's ready to capture leads and boost conversions. For more tips and tutorials, check the description below. Thanks for watching.